In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Telegram cache. If Telegram is taking up too much space on your device or feels a bit sluggish, clearing the cache is a quick way to free storage without losing your chats. Think of the cache as temporary copies of photos, videos, and files that Telegram saves locally, so they load faster. Removing it won't delete your messages or cloud backups. It just removes those local copies so you can reclaim space. Start by opening Telegram on your phone, desktop, or the web version. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen, then head into settings. On mobile, you'll usually find a gear icon or a menu button that reveals settings. On desktop or web, look for the gear icon or the menu with settings inside. Once you're there, you're in the right place to manage storage. Next, tap Data and Storage. This section controls how Telegram handles downloads, media, and network usage. It's where you can see what's using space and make smart choices about what to clear. Now select Storage Usage. This view breaks down how much space Telegram is using on your device and often shows categories like photos, videos, voice messages, files, and more. Take a moment to scan the numbers so you know which types of media are taking up the most room. When you're ready, tap Clear Telegram Cache. This is the safe built-in tool designed specifically for clearing those temporary files. You're not deleting your conversations or removing anything from Telegram's cloud. You're just clearing what's been downloaded locally. You'll see options to choose which media types to clear. Pick the categories that are large or that you don't need to keep offline. Common space hogs include videos and files. If you rely on certain media for offline access, you can leave those unchecked. Remember, anything you clear can be re-downloaded later from the chat as long as it's still available in the conversation. After making your selections, tap Clear to confirm. That's it. Telegram will remove the selected cached items and immediately free up space. If you want to stay ahead of storage issues, check this screen from time to time and clear the largest categories first. A quick tip: if you're on a limited data plan, consider doing big clears when you're on Wi-Fi, since reopening media later may download it again. You now know how to clear Telegram cache quickly and safely. Enjoy the extra space and a smoother experience.